Assalamu alaikum. Hey friends, today I'm going to make crispy onion pakoras, that is Pyaaz ki bhaji. So basically I'm going to show you the procedure, or you can say the basics for the crispy bhaji. I'm not going to make the soggy one. I'm going to make the crispy one. So for this I'm going to make for bhajis for just one plate. So I have taken very two small onions and peel it and slice it into like this. Thickness should be nice. Cut into thick slices. You can chop it or take on slicer. Here are my masalas. You can change your masala as per your taste. There are so many variations. So I am going to take two chilies, green chilies. Take spicy chilies. Half teaspoon of Zeera. Kuta, this is crushed dhania, that is kuta hua dhania. Coriander, salt. You can take red chili powder instead of red chili flakes. I like flakes, so I prefer it. So now, and this is turmeric, less than half teaspoon. So first what we are going to do is just make sure you don't fry your bhajis until you need it, and you don't mix the mixture before you have the hot oil. Like you fry it just just keep the duration of mixing the gram flour, that is besan, and frying. That is no difference between mixing and frying. That is once you mix the chana flour, that is besan, immediately you have to fry your bhajis. Don't put it too much. At the onion will release water and it will get soggy. So up to this stage, like add this all the ingredients to your onion. You can ready your mixture until this stage. After this, once you have to fry, add your gram flour, mix it, and make sure you don't add lots of water. Just add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water for mixing. Don't squeeze your onion, just mix it. Add gram flour. Once you get a thick batter, start frying it. Now we will proceed for the next procedure, that is adding the gram flour. So now friends, it's time to add our flour. Now I want to make my pakoras right now. So I have first heated my oil, and this is the mixture we prepared. Now what we're going to do is slightly mix the mixture in that manner, so our all the layers of onion get separated. Okay, so you can see the onion has already leave some water. So don't add first water. Let's check how much water we will need. Maybe we will need 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Now start adding gram flour. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now mix it well. It's enough. See, you can see all the onion is covered by gram flour now, and it's stuck very nicely. We will just need around 3, like maybe 2 tablespoons of water for the glaziness. I'm taking water. See, I have not taken lots of water, just small amount of water, just to make sure for binding. and I'm not squeezing it, just mixing it. Okay, so here our batter ready. Now I have already heat my oil. Make sure you take some small amount of onion on your fingers and just press it. Make it like flat patty type. Leave it. For crunchiness, you have to make sure you don't dip like it dumpling. Don't put dumplings. Just make it flat on your palm fingers by your thumb and add it to the oil. And the temperature of oil should be hot, not very hot, and put it on high flame continuously. Start adding continuously. Once the onion is crispy and you get nice light brown color, then you can remove your bhajis. Okay, and now you can see my pakoras are done. They are light brown, crispy, very nice. And make sure you remove it when your flame is high. Don't make your flame low. Put it like this to drain the oil, and it is done now. Thank you.